Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer option in Samsung Galaxy A15. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll it down. On the very bottom, we have option of about phone. Just click on about phone. So as you see, we have software information option. Just go to software information option and then we have build number here. Just click 7 times on build number to become a developer. As you see, developer mode is now turned on. So let me confirm it. After that, go to settings again and scroll it down to the bottom. We have new option of developer option. Just click it and now you can access developer options here. And if you want to disable it, you can all you guys have to do just turn it off. After that, go back and then there is no any developer option here. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and subscribe us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.